Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the exercise of report text in English. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang latihan soal report text dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, this is the text. We have to read this text first. Tsunami. A tsunami is a giant wave or series of waves created by an undersea earthquake, volcanic eruptions, or landslide. Tsunamis are often called tidal waves, but this is not an accurate description because tides have little effect on a giant tsunami waves. Far out in the ocean, tsunami waves don't get very high, but they move very fast. In fact, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, reports that tsunami waves can travel as fast as a jet plane. As a tsunami gets closer to land and the ocean depth decreases, the speed of the tsunami waves slows down and the height of the tsunami wave increases dramatically, along with its potential for destruction. One thing is certain about tsunamis: they are unpredictable. Once a tsunami makes landfall, the waves can last from 5 to 15 minutes and do not follow a set pattern. NOAA warns that the first wave may not be the largest. Not all undersea earthquakes or other seismic events create tsunamis, which is why tsunamis are difficult to predict. Okay, please try to understand the text before we go to the question. Okay, the first question atau pertanyaan pertama. What is tsunami also known as? Silakan, I give you 10 seconds to answer the question. Okay, tsunami is also known as tidal waves. Okay, we can find this on the first paragraph in this sentence. Tsunamis are often called tidal waves. The second question, pertanyaan kedua, what causes tsunami? Okay, 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Okay, the second question, what causes tsunami? We can find this answer, the first paragraph. The answer is earthquake, volcanic eruptions, or landslide. Okay, we can find it in the first paragraph too, in this sentence. Undersea quake, volcanic eruption, or landslide. Okay, the third question, what is the NOAA opinion about tsunami movement? 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Okay, the answer is tsunami waves can travel as fast as a jet plane. We can find this answer in the second paragraph in this sentence. Okay, so the answer is tsunami waves can travel as fast as a jet plane. The fourth question: what happens when tsunami get closer to the land and the ocean depth decreases? 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Okay, the answer is the speed of the tsunami wave slows down and the height of the tsunami waves increases dramatically. We can find this answer in the third paragraph in this sentence. Okay, so this is the answer. The fifth question: why is tsunami difficult to predict? 10 seconds from now to answer the question. Okay, the answer is because not all undersea quakes or the seismic events create tsunamis. We can find this answer in the last paragraph in the sentence. Okay, thank you for the attention and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.